Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bitewise Tech. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for regular updates. In today's video, I'll share 5 must-have certifications that can open doors to entry-level remote jobs. Why certifications matter? Certifications are your ticket to standing out in a competitive job market, especially for remote roles. They prove your skills, show employers you're serious, and in many cases, they don't even require a degree. Now let's dive into the top certifications. First up, the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. This beginner-friendly certification teaches you IT fundamentals, troubleshooting, and customer support, all skills that are in high demand. With this IT certification, you can unlock high-paying job opportunities. Roles like IT support specialist, help desk technician, and remote IT associate offer competitive salaries. Depending on your skills and experience, you could be earning anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000 per year. Next, we have the CompTIA A+ certification. It's globally recognized and perfect for starting a career in IT. This certification covers hardware, software, and network basics, making you a versatile candidate. With this certification, you can unlock high-paying job opportunities like technical support specialist, field service technician, remote IT specialist. You could be earning anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000 per year. If you're creative and love marketing, the HubSpot Content Marketing certification is for you. It focuses on content strategy, blogging, and SEO, all essential for remote digital marketing roles. After completing this certification, you can unlock high-paying job opportunities. Roles like content marketing specialist, SEO analyst, remote marketing coordinator offer competitive salaries. Depending on your skills and experience, you could be earning anywhere from $45,000 to $70,000 per year. Number 4 is the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. With cloud computing in demand, this entry-level certification from Amazon Web Services is a game changer. After completing this certification, you can unlock high-paying job opportunities like Cloud Support Associate, Cloud Administrator, Remote Cloud Specialist. You could be earning anywhere from $60,000 to $90,000 per year. Finally, we have the Certified Scrum Master, CSM. If you enjoy team collaboration and organization, this certification is your key to remote project management roles. After completing this certification, you can unlock high-paying job opportunities like Scrum Master, Project Coordinator, Remote Agile Coach. You could be earning anywhere from $70,000 to $95,000 per year. These certifications are your stepping stones to a high-paying remote career. They are affordable, accessible, and tailored for beginners looking to break into the job market. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity insights and tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.